Greg Bartels, and I'm the Embassy New York Study Center Center Director. And my job is to look after the students and staff and functioning of the school to make sure everybody has a great experience here. At the Embassy Study Center in New York, we teach a variety of programs. We teach general English to improve English skills in all areas. We also teach business English courses, examination preparation, and longer-term academic preparation style courses.
I want to get a job in an important law firm, so I think English will help me to get my goal.
I study English because it's very important for my job. Nowadays we are in a global market and English is one of the international language.
A great thing about Embassy New York is despite the New York City being such a big city and so fast-paced, we're still able to create a sense of community in Embassy New York. We see students coming together and sharing experiences and making memories that they'll keep with them for a lifetime.
I made a lot of friends in my class, and also I made a lot of friends in my school. So you always meet some people here.
Coming to America can be a great choice for students. It exposes them to the global community anywhere they go. We have a diverse population in all our schools. It exposes people to new experiences and new challenges, and it's very rewarding for students in our experience.
Everything seems to be possible. You have so many opportunities and things you can do. I really like America.
Thanks for checking out the Embassy website. Feel free to take a look around, look at the information on our school, and contact us with any questions you might have.